So over the next several months, students will work alongside airport IT professionals, supporting real systems and solving real problems. We're excited about that. The opportunity exists because of the shared belief of the people in this room, and that they believe that what's possible when education and industry come together. And they will apply what they've learned in the classroom. They'll gain valuable experience, build confidence that comes along from doing meaningful work in a professional setting. And really, that's the heart of why we're here, because that's really what it's all about.
Hi, my name is Keisha Quick. I am the Work-Based Learning Coordinator at the Cyber Academy of Excellence. They're learning how to create VLANs on the switch. And so today I have the opportunity to not only see what they're doing, but to help them as well. And this is very important as a student who is in IT, because one of the things that you have to do in a network is learn how to set it up and make sure that it works and talk. And so that's what our students got to see today. It was very exciting to see them be a part of the process. A few of our students have received their certification in Security Plus or the IT network certification. So they actually got to put to work some of the concepts that they learned in their certification.
Hello, my name is Mia Wilson. I'm a student at RCTCM and currently interning at the Augusta Regional Airport. So today, I set up a VLAN on a switch and I assigned a port to that switch. Well, it's really exciting and it means a lot because I am thinking about pursuing a career in IT. So it really just feels good to get my foot in the door, and really it feels like I'm taking the right path right now, gaining hands-on experience and making new relationships with people. I was a little skeptical at first because I'm still figuring out what I want to do, but I know that this opportunity would help me figure out that decision more. So that's really why I decided to apply. I want to feel secure in my knowledge and confident in my abilities. And I also hope to really just build new relationships. So maybe like years from now I can come back and be like, oh, hey guys, I remember you. And you guys really helped me out so much. So
this is important for the kids because this is what CTAE is all about, putting the actual concept, the application to the concept. We can talk about it all day long in the classroom, but having them actually see the concepts that they're being taught and to get the excitement from being able to apply it is very important. So I like the fact that the kids got to see what we were teaching them so they can say, okay, Ms. Quick, what you were saying in the classroom is actually applicable to the real world, and their employer expects this out of them. If you're apprehensive about IT or cyber, if you think it's not for you, I say try it. Our students are at the actual airport, and you would not have think that there's IT or cyber at the airport, which it is, because something has to, there's a network for all of these airplanes. So if you're apprehensive about it, I say try it. You don't know what you don't like until you try it.